These are the destitute, families pushed into poverty by a 90-second earthquake. Their homes, belongings, loved ones are gone. Now they pick through handouts so their children have clothes. The city of Adiyaman has crumbled. Its people are broken. Some here believe the government has blood on its hands. Mother Nature caused this disaster, but, they say, corruption and flimsy building regulations worsened the death toll. It's the result of a great neglect, Juma tells me. In fact, we could call this murder. Today, the president visited the city with promises to rebuild.
We are trying our best not to leave anyone under the rubble. I assure you that we will rebuild in 1 year.
But for some, it's all too late. We meet Baruch by the ruins of his home. He shows us the place where his mother was crushed to death. I ask him his message for the president. I have nothing to say. We were left to our fates in the first hours when maybe we could have been saved, he replies. Baruch has nothing left here. He'd leave the country if he could. Next door, they also cannot wait to go. This wreck could collapse at any moment, burying him under the rubble. But he's determined. Returning with a few belongings, they're leaving for Ankara. Many people have told us when the earthquake hit, it wiped out any future this city had. At least 70% of the buildings are damaged. There's no running water. Those who can leave are getting out. For others, that isn't an option. They must find a future in this broken place, try to rebuild a home. Siobhan Robbins, Sky News, Adiyaman, Turkey.